Amazon sellers, this is for you. Did you know that preparing your PPC in the lead-up phase can make a huge difference in your Prime Day sales? Prime Big Deal Days are coming up fast, and it's time to get your ad campaigns ready. This summer, BidX analyzed Prime Day data using Amazon Marketing Cloud and discovered something fascinating. When customers first see your product matters a lot. On normal days, most customers saw the product for the first time on the day that they bought it. But on Prime Day, with the lead-up boost, only a few first saw the product on Prime Day itself. The majority had already seen it in the lead-up phase. So what does this mean for you? If you're not running ads for the lead-up phase for Prime Day, you are missing out on customers. With lead-up ads, the number of people seeing your product increased by 2.6 times compared to regular days. That is huge for brand visibility and sales growth. BidX's full funnel software helps you maximize sales during deal days. Not just for Prime Big Day deals, but also for the upcoming Cyber 5, which includes Thanksgiving, Black Friday, and Cyber Monday. So how can BidX help you maximize your sales during these big shopping times? With its scheduling feature, BidX allows you to automatically increase bids and budgets step by step during the lead-up phase and boost them even more during the deal days. Afterwards, it reduces bids and budgets accordingly. Sure, you could manually do this yourself, but look, nobody really does that. BidX can back this up with data. Check it out. During Prime Day, CPCs stayed almost flat, but ROAS went up thanks to much higher traffic and conversion rates. If you use BidX to increase your bids and make sure you don't run out of budget, you'll crush the competition during the upcoming deal days. I'm getting my lead-up campaigns ready now to target new buyers and make the most out of Prime Day and Cyber 5. Want BidX to help you crush your upcoming deal days? Click the link in the bio to get started.